topic, that is quadrilateral. The topic is new here, but it is not new for you as the topic is already introduced in your primary section. So, before discussing about quadrilateral and its properties and the questions based on quadrilateral, first I will discuss here some basic concepts on quadrilateral. Means how a quadrilateral is formed and the parts by which a quadrilateral is formed. Okay, see. So for that, let's get back to our childhood. कि हम childhood में जब हम लोग स्कूल में एंट्री लेते हैं और when we just pick up the pen, जब हम बचपन में सबसे पहली बार पेन को पिक करते हैं, then what we do, तब हम क्या करते हैं? What we do? We start drawing. हम क्या स्टार्ट करते हैं? ड्रॉइंग. Whatever we write, whatever we do, सबसे पहला जो हमारा वर्क होता है in our childhood, that is drawing. So, सबसे पहली ड्राइंग कौन सी होती है? We don't know how to make a circle, we don't know how to make a triangle, we just make a zigzag line. क्या बनाते हैं? एक zigzag line बनाते हैं. It starts from here and then it ends here. Means यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं और यहाँ पर इसको एंड करते हैं. और we draw like this, or we draw like this. Means any zigzag lines means we just try to add the points. ओके हम केवल पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने की कोशिश करते हैं. लाइक एक पॉइंट यहाँ पर है, वन पॉइंट इज हियर, वन पॉइंट इज हियर, वन पॉइंट इज हियर. इफ आई विल ज्वाइन ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स देन आई विल गेट अ ड्रॉइंग लाइक दिस. सो एनी ड्रॉइंग which is drawn without lifting our pen is known as curve. What is known as? It is known as a curve. Means कोई भी एक लाइन जिसको हम बिना पेन को लिफ्ट किए ड्रॉ करेंगे, दैट इज नोन एज अ कर्व. सपोज आई टुक माई पेन हियर और मैंने इसको इस तरीके से ड्रॉ करने स्टार्ट किया एंड मैंने इसको यहाँ पर एंड कर दिया. सो दिस इज अ कर्व. नाउ कम टू दिस इज अ पॉइंट. यहाँ से इसको ड्रॉ करने स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड विदाउट लिफ्टिंग माई पेन आई विल एंड दिस ड्रॉइंग हियर. ओके, सेम फॉर अ सर्कल. I can draw a circle without uplifting my pen. So, any drawing which can be drawn without uplifting our pen, okay, and without stopping in between is known as a curve. Here, I have drawn some curves, but I have divided the curves into parts. This is part 1 and this is part 2. Okay, now we will see the difference between these curves. What are the two types or four types of curves are here? See, this is a curve. This is its starting point. इसका starting point है, okay, and this is its ending point. Now, similarly, this is straight line, and straight line is also a curve. Why it is a curve? Because we can draw a line without lifting our pen. It is its starting point. And this is its ending point. Okay, now this is the starting point of this curve and this is the ending point of this curve. Again, see it's a circle. ये इसका starting point था. Okay, and इसको हमने इस तरीके से ड्रॉ किया and then the end point is also the starting points. Means the starting point and the end points both are intersected together. वो दोनों एक ही point पर हैं. ठीक. Here this is the starting point and this is the ending point. Means what we are observing that here two free ends are here. In this curve also two free ends are there. In this curve also two free ends are there, and same thing here also. But what about a circle? Is there any free end? No, there is not any free end. Both the starting point and ending points, both the points are same. Now, come to this triangle. Suppose take any point. This is the starting point. Now, where you will find its ending point? इसको इस तरीके से हमने ड्रॉ किया, इस तरीके से आके हम यहीं पर आ गए. So, we just ended on this point only. Starting point or ending point both are same. Can we identify where is the starting point and where is the ending point? in this curve? No. जहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे वहीं पे आकर आपका एंड भी हो जाएगा. Just take any point. So the curves which has starting point and ending points different means there are two free ends. One is the starting end and another is the ending point. Are known as open curve. These are known as open curves. Which one? Those curves which has two end points means two free ends. One is starting and another is ending. They are known as the open curves. Now what about the curves which do not have any ending point? Means both the starting point and ending point, both points are same. These curves are known as closed curves. These curves are known as closed curve. There is no any free end. कोई भी free end नहीं है. Okay, so these are the two types of curve. One is open curve and the another is closed curve. We have done open curve and closed curve. Now let's move for the second type of curve. For that, first we have to observe these curves. See, just take any point on this curve. Here I have taken the point. Now how this point has been formed? ये point किस तरीके से form हुआ है? See, this is the point. This is one curve and this is another curve. Means two curves are meeting at a point. Two curves are meeting together to form this point. Or take this point. Only one curve is here. एक curve है, इसके अलग से ये point है. Okay. Similarly, this is a point. The line is there and this point is on the line. Take any point here. How the point has been formed? With the help of two line segments or two curves. One is this and another is this. They are meeting together at one point to form this point. Take any point here. ये point किस तरीके से form हुआ है? One line segment is this, another line segment is this, and both are meeting together to form this point. Means take just any point. Either you take this point or you take this point or you take point on any curve. What you will see that how this point is forming by joining either two curves or there is just a single curve. That is, the point is free point. Okay. If the point is free point, then obviously this is a single point. If the point is not free point, then it has been formed with the help of two curves. Okay. Now this is not in this case. Just let's assume. Take this point. How this point has been formed? With the help of two curves. One curve is this and another curve is this. Okay. Now come to this point. How this point has been formed? How this point has been formed? See, one curve is this, another curve is this, and one more curve is here, and one more curve is also here. Means with the help of four curves, this point has been formed. Come to this point. See, one curve, line segment means curve, then another curve and then one more curve. So this point has been formed with the help of three curves. Come to this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we have seen that in this case the point was formed, either it was a free point or if it is not free point, then it has been formed with the help of two curves or two line segments which are also curves. But here Some points are here which are formed with the help of more than two curves or more than two line segments. Here it is 4, it's 3, it's 4, here also it's 4 and here also it's 4. So, the curve, the point on any curve which is formed with the help of either which is free or it is formed with the help of two curves. These curves are known as simple curves. These curves are known as simple curves. And those, these are not formed with the help of two curves or not any free end. Then what they will be? Obviously they will be not simple curves. Not simple curves. So there are four types of curve. Two we have studied earlier. One is open curve and another is closed curve. Then one is simple curve and another is not simple curve. Now let's move to the quadrilateral. Okay, but before moving to the quadrilateral, we will see one more topic, that is polygon. That is polygon.